I got involved with Signage Express through another business that I own. So Signage Express were wrapping my vehicles. Speaking to the previous owner, John had decided after 27 years of having the business, it was time for him to retire. And the printers were 10 years old, so obviously we didn't want to be coming in offering a fantastic service, but maybe not having the reliability of the printers. And investing in the equipment is not only investing in the business, it's investing in our team. We're not just a fly-by company, we want to be the number one. And again, what I like with a lot of the HP stuff is all the sustainability, because everybody now needs to be thinking about this, and obviously if we can offer that service to a lot of our customers, hopefully that will help us get the deal over the line with them.
I'm a massive fan of the latex printers. I recommend it mainly because I come from a wrap heavy background, and it was always the choice of printer for speed. So outgassing on eco solvents and all that sort of stuff was 24 hours, sometimes longer. But now with the latex, the thing is the drying time. For a fast moving company, latex is, to me, the fastest way to get to the end result.
HP have helped us an awful lot in the past 12 months. One with purchasing the machinery, the information that we've got at our fingertips, or if we ever struggle even with a customer, if there's a question that we don't know the answer to, we know that we can just ring somebody at HP. And it's just the all-round helpfulness of everybody that we've been involved with. So I would honestly say that HP is one of the best companies that we've ever dealt with.
Ian asked me what new equipment should I be looking for. So we looked at the white printers, and we've now got the HP Latex R530. We use mainly for direct to board printing, so now we can offer another thing that we're outsourcing, which was hoarding. We can print that ourselves, much faster turnaround, much better quality than what we were getting. We print a lot of estate agents boards that are very, very fast turnaround. We do a lot of health and safety signs. There's a lot of materials that we print on now that we couldn't print on before, so the photoluminescence, we print direct to it instead of having to apply a vinyl, which then obviously dulls down the photoluminescence. So that's the first printer I've ever used that's just gone in and worked perfect straight away. The FS50, with it being a bigger printer and new to us, was a choice based on the amount of inquiries we get for one-piece wallpapers and banners. Everything's getting bigger. People want more advertising. Instead of a few little banners dotted about, they'll put a huge banner on the side of a building, and we were always outsourcing that. And quite often it was, we need it tomorrow. So it was a no-brainer with the 3.2 metre, because the amount of wallpapers we do as well, we were outsourcing that, where now we can have it printed. If there is a mistake, if something happens during transit or during fitting, we can just print it like that and replace it ourselves instead of having to wait for it to be outsourced again. So when we had all these printers put in, and they're like, yeah, you can leave them printing overnight, don't worry about it. But previously, every printer we've ever had, you don't leave it printing overnight, but now it's like, oh, now we can.
What we're proud about, it's not just myself, it's the whole team here, and I do emphasise on the word team, is giving something back to the community. We don't run a little competition with the school, so the school's come up with a design. We've donated all the materials and obviously our time and labour. Going back last month, I think it was, we invited the children over and we had a great day. We made them a little high-vis vest. They went to the design team, so they watched the work going from computer to print, coming through the printer, and now obviously today is the day when they're going to actually install it on the wall in the school. So it's seeing the smiles on the kids' faces as well, really, because it's something that they've been involved in. And as I say, you don't know, they could be the future of a business like this.
For the school, it needed to be one piece, hardware in, and high quality print. So we chose to do it on the FS50 white. Because it's going in a school, it has to be printed on a fire retardant paper. So with HP, it's the only ink that you can print onto something with a fire rating and it keeps its fire rating, which is really, really important for a school. So when you put something up in the school, you've got that 100% confidence. It's self-extinguishing and it's going to keep that. There's no solvents, no smell, which is another big plus for the school. If you put up a wallpaper that's been printed solvent, close the door and then go back in the day after, you can still smell it. But with latex, even in the workshop, it can be printing 100 meters of wallpaper and there's not an ounce of a smell. There's just no nasties in it at all. It's all water-based.